Hello everyone. Today we shall see how to generate random numbers of list. I'll quickly go to new query and create a blank query. I'll show you how number.random function works. I'll type equal to, I'll type number.random and then open the parenthesis. I won't be typing anything here. This is the function which could generate us a random value between 0 to 1. Suppose that I want between certain value. I would type random between and then within parameters I'll give minimum value as 1 and maximum value you could maybe give anything, but I want minimum value to be 1 and 50 to be the maximum value, like top and bottom values. Okay, I'll click here. You could see that it has generated a random value between 1 to 50. This is how number.random and number.random between functions work. I'll go to new query, create a blank query. I'll show you how to generate a list by using number.random and number.random between. I'll click on advanced editor. Okay, I'll show you how to generate. I'll remove this. I'll type maybe minimum value equal to, suppose that I want minimum value as 1, comma, maximum value I want maximum value to be 50. Okay, and rows, suppose that I want 20 rows. Okay, and in the next parameter I could give uh, random numbers. This is a variable equal to, I'll write a function called list.generate. Okay, list.generate, what it does is it generates a list. Okay, I'll hit shift plus enter. You could see that here initial as function is my first parameter. Suppose that I'll create an empty function where I'll assign the value maybe 0 or 1. I'll type 0. Okay, and then I'll give condition. Suppose that each value must be less than or equal to number of rows provided. Rows I have given as 20. I'll put a comma, hit enter. In the third parameter, suppose that I want to increment each value. By default, maybe it has +1. Okay, these are the three parameters where we are aware of list.generate function. Okay, uh, to use the generate list function in order to create random numbers, I'll put a comma. In the fourth function, you could see that there is something called selector as nullable function. In the selector function, what we could do is I'll type number.random. I'll close the parenthesis and click on done. And instead of source in the output, I'll provide random numbers. Okay, here I have used only random function without using any of these values. I'll show like how to use these values within this. I'll click on done. Here you could see that 20 values has been generated from 0 to 1. When I type the mQuery, I have typed the minimum maximum value and this rows that is created for using the number.random between function. In order to explain you, the bottom number I'll type min value and in the top number I'll type max value. So this is where it would generate me the values between 1 to 50 and it would generate random 20 values. Okay, accordingly. Here I'll click on done. You could see that here it has generated me the random values from 1 to 50. Like it has generated me the 20 rows. Okay, so this is how we use number.random and number.random between. Please explore, please practice, and we shall meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.